In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Trello board to Excel or CSV. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Trello. So, open your web browser and go to Trello.com, which is the Trello homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button in the upper right corner. It's a simple click away. You can sign in using either your email address or your Google account, whichever you prefer. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open your board. You should find yourself on your main dashboard where all your boards are listed. Look through the boards and locate the specific one that contains the data you want to export. Once you've found it, just click on the board to open its main interface. Once you're inside the board, we're going to access the board menu. This part is quite easy. Just look toward the upper right corner of the board interface. You should see 3 dots arranged vertically. Click on those dots to open the menu, which gives you several options to choose from. Now, from this drop-down menu, we want to select the Export option. Look for the choice that says Print, Export, and Share. It's usually in the lower half of that menu. When you click on that, you'll get a new set of options. Here's what you want to do next. Select Export as CSV. This is the format you'll want for easy manipulation in a spreadsheet. After you've selected that, Trello will automatically begin downloading the board's data to your computer as a CSV file. You won't need to do anything else at this point. Just give it a moment and it'll be ready for you. Once the download is complete, you can open and manipulate the file directly in Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet application you prefer. This makes it easy for you to organize, analyze, or share your board's information just the way you like. And that's it. You've now successfully exported your Trello board data to Excel or CSV. It's a straightforward process, but it really opens up a lot of possibilities for how you can work with your board's information. Just to recap, you logged into Trello, opened your board, accessed the board menu by clicking the 3 dots, selected the Export option, and then downloaded your data as a CSV file. Now, you can dive into the data in Excel, create charts, or perform analysis as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Happy exporting!